Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a pineapple on Dress to Impress. So I just colored my skin tone this orange. It doesn't have to be this orange, but like I'm just gonna use this. And then I'll just select these leggings and I'm going to color it green. You can color it either this or this green. And then I'll put on some socks here. It's actually a pretty simple outfit. Then you're going to need the hot dog one and you're going to select this pattern. And then you'll need this skirt from VIP, well this dress. But you can try to like use like other dresses that are this long from the like quest or like from codes. But you'll need this kind of like skirt, I guess. Well, you can use the... which code is it? You can also use this one if you'd like to, but it's not going to cover fully. Well, actually it might cover it fully, so you can also use that if you'd like to. Then you're going to go to codes and you're going to also use the strawberry dress, which is here somewhere. Gonna color that green too. And once you're done, this is just the outfit. Wait for the pose. Go to the Halloween post pack and select the possession one, and from the back it looks like a pineapple. That is how you can become a pineapple on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.